Kaizen is an excellent continuous improvement methodology. Like any process improvement technique, Kaizen too has few disadvantages that can hinder its effectiveness. The limitations must be circumvented to achieve success with Kaizen. So, let's look at them one by one. Firstly, significant initial investments are required in both tools and training, which can be particularly challenging for small businesses.
Kaizen demands continuous effort from employees, which can lead to fatigue and resistance to constant changes. Its focus on incremental improvements can frustrate employees looking for quick results, potentially decreasing their motivation over time.
The emphasis on teamwork and small changes might overlook the need for radical innovations, crucial in competitive or rapidly changing industries. This approach can also dilute individual accountability by emphasizing group efforts, potentially causing role ambiguity and reducing personal initiative.
The constant demand for improvements can create a stressful work environment, and the slow pace of change may not suit industries needing fast adaptation to new technologies or market conditions.
Furthermore, an excessive focus on efficiency can sometimes come at the expense of creativity and strategic thinking.
Finally, without proper planning, the continuous meetings and feedback loops required by Kaizen can become time-consuming and counterproductive, diverting attention from productive activities.
Hence, one must overcome these limitations before installing Kaizen. Moreover, overcoming Kaizen limitations is easy too. Take your organization from being good to great. Apply Kaizen to improve productivity, operational excellence, profitability, and resilience.
Visit drshruti.com for more information on operational excellence and product development, industry-specific case studies and free white papers.